back for another unboxing video. I recently bought another car, so yeah, I'm just going to show you what it is. I mean, you can probably tell by the title, but yeah, here we go. Tape off. Oh yay, look at that. I hate this stuff. We're going to try to keep as much of this in here as possible. Wow, we didn't drag one piece out. That must be a record. Okay, here it is. Wow, this previous owner wrapped this up really nice. I like that. Okay, put all this back in the box. There we go. So, as you can see, it's a yellow C7, just like the video description said. It's a Maisto Special Edition. So yeah, let's get it open. So, here it is. Just give you a little overview before I fully pull it out. So, yeah, alright. Let's unscrew it, and then we will look at it closer. One screw. Always remember to keep your screws in case you need to, for some reason, resell in the future. Keep the screw, keep the box. Yeah. Okay. Now get the second screw out. Put it all back in the box real quick. Close it up. Done. Good to go. So, we'll pull the plastic stuff off the bottom. Actually, it looks like they also taped that, which I don't think is necessary, but that's okay. So got that one off. That all? Nope, there's one more. One more back here. Alright. Got those taken care of. So now here we are. So yeah. Make sure the camera focuses on it. There we go. So yeah, it's a yellow special edition Maisto C7. It's got an opening engine bonnet thing like that. I think the trunk also opens. Yep, trunk, and then obviously the doors open. The interior, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera or not, but it's just brown. It's like a brown leather, black dash. So yeah, I bought this because I don't have a Corvette in my collection yet. I got a yellow one because, well, I like the C7 in yellow in person, but also because I don't have hardly any yellow diecasts. I only have 2. This makes number 3. So, yeah. This being Maisto, it's not, you know, top of the line, but it's pretty decent quality. I mean, I think it's good. It's definitely not bad. The details are fairly accurate. It's made of metal. It is heavy. It's got opening parts, obviously, like I showed you. Yeah, quad exhaust here. I don't know. It ships pretty clean. There's no paint imperfections. It's not dusty. It's actually very good. So, previous owner must have taken good care of it. Yeah, I mean, I got it for about, it was $25 for the actual car, and then shipping was $12. So, you know, $37-ish, which I had a gift card, so really I only paid shipping. But it's not bad. Is it worth $40? I would say so. I actually think Maisto did a good job with this one. They're actually pretty accurate. Yeah, I mean, everything's symmetrical. The dimensions are there. Paint's really good. The interior's decent. I mean, I think it's a good car, honestly. I think it's a pretty good model. The wing on the back here looks a little cheap, I think, but other than that, I mean, I don't know. I think it's pretty good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, I got this off of eBay, and the C7 comes in a lot of other colors. You can get blue, red, black, white, you know, whatever. But again, I decided on yellow. So yeah, that's the newest car in the garage. I'm gonna go find a spot for it in the shelf, and then I will update you on that. So yeah. Alright, so put the C7 on the very bottom, just because that's the only thing I have room left for. I put the NSX down there with it, just because I don't know what else to put with it. So I put the 2 yellow cars together. So yeah, there it is. I took the NSX away from the concept cars, so now the concept cars are together, and the 2 yellow cars are together. So now I need to get 2 more models to completely fill this thing. Because we got 3, 3, and then 2 and 2, and then these are all 3 full, and 6 up there makes 3 full up there too. I'm hoping to get a blue 918 to complete the Holy Trinity in here this Christmas, but we'll see. Either that or a Veneno. Yeah. So there she is, newest one. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.